Welcome to Your Future, Your Way, where we explore the many ways to reach your academic and professional goals. Whether you are a recent grad, considering career advancement, or even changing careers, this podcast is for you. There is more than one way to do higher education. This is Your Future, Your Way.
Hi, I'm Anna Denucci, and I'm an enrollment coach for the professional degrees and certificates in the Division of Continuing Studies at the University of Wisconsin-Madison. Today, we're kicking off our Career Services series by sharing information about the various career services and professional development opportunities offered to graduate students at UW-Madison.
Before we start, we want you to know that the views, information, or opinions expressed in this podcast do not reflect the views of the Division of Continuing Studies, the University of Wisconsin-Madison, or the Board of Regents.
Master's students at the University of Wisconsin-Madison get access to a wide variety of career planning and professional development resources and tools to set students up for success ahead of completing their program. Students get access to tools such as Handshake, a job search platform created specifically to connect employers with college students. Students can use Handshake to search for jobs or internship openings and learn about upcoming career events. Students looking for international jobs or internships can utilize Going Global, an international job and internship board. Another tool available to students is Big Interview, an online interview training tool where students can access curriculum to help build their job search and interview skills, create a professional resume using a resume builder, and practice interviews with their interview simulator, which provides AI analysis of your recorded answers. Students can also expand their professional networks via Badger Bridge, a site connecting UW-Madison alumni and students across majors and professions. Use the platform to meet alumni in fields that interest you, find job openings, or share your expertise with fellow Badgers. Now let's look at resources provided specifically to graduate students. Since UW-Madison offers a wide range of graduate programs, the school or college of your academic program is best positioned to provide tailored advice on career exploration and job searches within your discipline. Some graduate programs offer personalized career advising to help students explore career paths, secure internships, and identify job opportunities focused on leveraging the skills students develop during their studies at UW-Madison. Today, we'll learn about the services offered by the Pharmaceutical Sciences Psychoactive Pharmaceutical Investigation Program to give you a better idea of what you might see from your program. Before we dive into that, I want to share a couple more resources specific to graduate students. The graduate school has a website dedicated to professional development programming, events, and tools at no additional cost to students. You can find it at grad.wisc.edu/professional-development. Graduate students also get access to Beyond Graduate School, an online career training platform for master's students. Students can access on-demand, self-paced learning modules where students can explore career options and learn proven job search strategies to secure employment after graduation.
This episode of Your Future, Your Way comes from UW-Madison Professional Programs, offering over 90 graduate-level programs including online and evening and weekend options for working adults. For more details, visit us at go.wisc.edu/pro.
Now that you have a better idea about the wide variety of career services offered at UW-Madison, let's hone in on a specific program to show you how graduate programs tailor career services based on the needs of their students. We'll hear from Chris McIntyre from the Pharmaceutical Sciences Psychoactive Pharmaceutical Investigation Program in the School of Pharmacy, also known as PPI. We'll listen to a clip from a webinar recording I recorded with him recently, where Chris shared valuable insights and tips for navigating a career in the field of pharmaceutical sciences. Chris starts with an introduction and quick description of his role.
Hi, thank you, Anna. My name is Chris McIntyre. I'm the employer liaison for the PPI program. And so what that means is that I work with all of our employer partners on first maintaining our existing relationships, but also working to cultivate new relationships within the psychedelic spectrum. I also work with our students on all things career development. So that may be things like resumes, cover letters, job searching, and interviewing. So the way I look at our program support of career development, I look at it in three phases. curricular, program, and individual. And each level is important because each give you specific tools and skills to succeed in the job search. You'll have opportunities to stay up to date with your courses, engage with your employers through the program, and have an individual strategy based on your unique situation. So at the curricular level, it ensures that your classes will prepare you for the career of interest. Through partnering with employers and leading instructors in the field, we ensure you're learning the relevant skills that are in demand from the employers that we speak with. The program level includes opportunities cultivated specifically for PPI students. This includes employers seeking resumes, hosting networking events, as well as career development workshops that I put on to prepare you for your job search. Our summer internship program, which I'll talk about next, is a program exclusively for PPI students that gives you an opportunity to explore roles within the industry. And individually, each student is different, and we meet you where you're at. We work with you to create a unique job search plan based on your location, interests, and other individual factors. We help students incorporate PPI coursework into your existing skills and previous education. And I always like to say we're not a placement agency, but we do give you the tools to succeed at each level. So our PPI summer internship program includes roles in a variety of psychedelic realms. From drug development to education to therapy to legal to research, our program builds on your previous education and experiences and supplements that with the PPI curriculum. We provide avenues to explore the industry through the summer program, cultivated specifically for PPI students. I spend most of my time in the late fall and early spring working with our employers to make sure they have opportunities ready for our students by the time the summer begins. And while an internship is not guaranteed, you will have numerous opportunities to apply for one in February, March, and April. One thing to note is that our internships offerings change yearly, but each term, my goal is to have a mix of options across dimensions, including location, job type, background skills demanded from the employer, as well as the industries within the psychedelic realm.
Employer liaisons like Chris are an important link between students, internships, and employers. I want to thank Chris for sharing information about the invaluable resources provided by the PPI program to help students achieve their goals in the dynamic field of pharmaceutical sciences. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have questions or want to learn more about the PPI program, visit their website at pharmacy.wisc.edu/academics. Career services vary by program, so we recommend reaching out to your program of interest for details specific to your field of study. This wraps up today's episode. If you have questions about any professional graduate programs offered by UW-Madison or need guidance on your application materials, an enrollment coach, like myself, is happy to assist you. You can reach out to them at coach@pdc.wisc.edu. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this episode has been helpful and inspiring as you consider applying to a program at the University of Wisconsin-Madison. On Wisconsin!
Join us next time to learn more about professional programs at the University of Wisconsin-Madison. Learn how to shape your future your way.